Hello, this is the presentation for my final Java project. What I have made is a 1-rep max calculator that the concept is you would use it for the gym and you would take a weight that you have hit and you would also insert the amount of reps that you were able to do that for, and it runs it through a formula called the Epley's formula, and it will spit out what weight you should be able to do for a maximum effort 1 rep. Or it also gives you the 95% of your 1 rep, the 80%, which are commonly used within weightlifting and strength programs. Also, because my friend had come to me about a problem, our coaches recently had us start doing a new type of programming called Rate of Perceived Exertion, or RPE, and he was facing difficulties with finding the correct weight that he should be doing for a RPE 8, which would be an 8 difficulty between 1 and 10 for the amount of reps that he was supposed to do. So also within my program, I included a conversion chart, which it will take your 1 rep max and convert it into the estimated best weight for you to do a set at an 8 difficulty for 1 through 10 reps, which is the most common amount of reps that you would be doing. And I will run it right here and show the calculator. So what you would do is you would just input, let's say that you did a set of 430 pounds for 3 reps, and it would tell you that you should be able to do around 473 pounds maximum effort. It's not a guarantee, but it's an estimate, and it'll give you your different percentages. And also you can go over here, and if you are programmed to do a RPE 9 set of 6, that's something that was in my program, you would go and find that, and you would do 383 pounds as the estimated best weight for you to use. So how I did this program, I went through and I built the GUI, and that was probably the most difficult part because the GUI can be very stubborn about where things are placed, and it likes to snap things to different spots. And I had to go through and make sure that I had a couple of the incorrect labels, so I was getting the wrong information in the wrong spots for a while. And also the most challenging part, which it was a really simple error, but it took me a minute to find, was that I had my weight and my reps backwards in my formula, so it was spitting me out negative numbers. And one last thing was figuring out how to round. Well, to get everything to round, because everything was coming out as wild decimal places that would not finish, so I had to use the math.round to make everything come out to clean numbers. And aside from that, it was a pretty simple project. I'm hoping to do something similar and turn this into an actual app or something that can be ran, because there are a lot of people who are now interested in using this to do their programs. Thank you.